Alright. Freelancing is not easy money. Freelancing is not a miracle job. Freelancing will humble you if you don't understand it. If you're here because you think freelancing is going to make you rich quick overnight, then don't click away, because this video might be saving you from months or years of frustration. I am making this video because freelancing is one of the most misunderstood careers today. People see screenshots of payments, soft lives, success stories, and nobody tells you the struggles behind the scenes.
If you are finding this helpful so far, I want you to know that you don't need to figure all this by yourself. I have an ebook where I explain in detail how to navigate the remote setting in a step-by-step simple process at your own pace. I will drop the link in my description. Now let's continue.
So today we are breaking down the biggest misconception about freelancing, especially for beginners and people coming from Africa or developing countries. Let me say this clearly. Freelancing is not quick money. If freelancing was quick money, everyone would be doing it successfully. Most freelancers struggle in the first 3 to 6 months, not because they are lazy, but because they are learning. As a freelancer, you need to learn a skill, learn how to talk to clients, learn how to face rejection, and also you need to join different learning platforms. Yes, you will send a lot of proposal and hear nothing. You apply for different jobs and get ignored. That is silence. Yes, it is part of the journey. I started freelancing few years ago. I didn't land my first job until after applying actively on Upwork for good 6 months before I landed my first gig. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. A big lie is that freelancing does not need skill. Yes, you don't need a degree to work as a freelancer, but you do need a skill. Clients don't pay you because you are nice. They don't pay you because you want to work. They pay you because you can help them solve a problem. We have some basic skills you can learn as a freelancer, such as virtual assistant, copywriting, project management, customer support. If you don't have any of those skills now, if you don't have any of those skills now, that's okay. But don't lie to yourself. Learn one. This one makes me laugh. Most freelancers work harder than people in regular 9 to 5. No fixed salary, no HR, no paid leave. No one is chasing you. You are the boss, the employee, the accountant, the marketer, and sometimes the customer support. Freedom doesn't mean you work less. Freedom means you take responsibility. Getting your first clients feels like heaven until reality hits you. Clients can leave, contract end, project finished. Freelancing teaches you one big lesson: never stop marketing yourself. No matter how busy you are, even at your busiest moment, continue planting seeds. This particular lie, freelancing is only for tech people, has discouraged a lot of people. Virtual assistants, customer support, project managers, social media managers. If a business needs it, someone somewhere is freelancing it. Freelancing will test your patience. It will test your consistency. It will test your confidence. You will doubt yourself. You will compare yourself, and you will feel like quitting. But if you stay consistent, something will shift. The real truth about freelancing is that it is not a scam, it is not magic, and it is not for everybody. But for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and stay consistent, it works. Not overnight, but eventually. Stop chasing shortcuts, Stop believing in hypes without effort. Build skills, build discipline, build patience. Freelancing rewards consistency and not desperation. If this video has helped you, like it so more people will see the truth. And subscribe if you want honest conversation about freelancing, remote work, and building real income. See you in my next video. Bye.